Want to know your exact loan cost without touching a calculator? In this video, I'll show you how Excel's PMT function calculates your monthly payment instantly. It also shows total repayment and interest. Fast and easy. Just a few clicks, and you've got the numbers you need. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most useful formulas in finance, the PMT function. It calculates your exact loan payment without you ever touching a calculator. You're financing a $25,000 car loan at 5% annual interest to be repaid over 60 months. Click the cell where you want the monthly payment to appear, let's say B7. Type equals PMT. When it appears, press Tab. This tells Excel we're using the PMT function, which calculates loan payments based on interest rate, number of periods, and loan amount. First argument, interest rate. Select B3, that is our annual interest rate 5%. Type a slash, which means divide. Then 12 to get the monthly interest rate, because our loan is repaid monthly. Add a comma. Second argument, number of periods. Select the cell B4. Third argument, loan amount. Select B2, loan amount, $25,000. Add a minus sign before loan amount to show money going out. Close the bracket and press enter. You will get the fixed monthly payment for the next 5 years. To calculate total payment, in a blank cell, say B8, type equals. Select the B4 cell. Add an asterisk and select the B7 cell. This multiplies the total months by the monthly payment. Press enter, you'll get the total amount paid over 5 years. Want to calculate total interest paid? In another blank cell, say B9, type equals. Select the cell B8. Add a minus sign. Now, select the B2 cell. This subtracts the original loan amount from the total payments. Finally, press enter. You'll get total interest over the life of the loan. And that's it. With the PMT function, Excel does all the heavy lifting, giving you your monthly payment, total cost, and interest in one go. No manual math, no confusion. If you found this tip helpful, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more quick, powerful Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.